Oh, they're in the tub.
One of them is.
What? They went in the tub?
Pretty soon.
Yeah, they're probably on a little feeding schedule. Huh?
No, they're on a 4-hour schedule. They sleep through the night, though.
Oh, that's good. That's a good start.
4-hour schedule, but they have to. It takes an hour and a half to feed it. So you get 2.5 hours rest, and then you do it again.
Wait, when
So I was lucky.
when are they going to feed them?
It only took 20 minutes to feed you every 4 hours, so I was lucky.
Yeah, it's a lot harder to feed them than babies, believe me.
Because they probably don't focus very much on, they play, eat.
Exactly. Exactly. Yep.
When we were in, where was it?
In Oregon, you mean?
In Oregon. There was a zoo that let you come in and play with the baby jaguars, and they would have you feed them. So you would feed them and play with them. They'd put you in for what was it, 20 minutes?
No, it was 20 seconds.
The dangerous part of that
it was like 5 minutes.
The dangerous part of that is it's too easy to pass on a disease or infection to the cubs.
That's true. Oh, yeah.
I mean, we have to get into hospital gown and wash down before we feed them the whole thing.
Sure.
They're getting big enough now, so it's not a big deal.
I think they said they were like.
Yeah,
No, they weren't
bigger.
infants. They were like 6 weeks, 7 weeks.
Well, these guys
like
No,
that.
these are 9 weeks.
These are no,
No,
but the
no.
one in Oregon were like
No, they were
6,
big.
7 weeks.
No, they were bigger.
Bigger?
Bigger.
10 weeks.
No. Mom, these are 10 weeks.
Then you would sit down on him
Mom,
and like try to be nice, like his claw would stick into your skin.
Sure. They've got claws and they don't hesitate to use them.
That's for sure. They were.
But thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
وماشي بقينا زي السكان
אני מצלם וידאו כרגע.
Well, one of them getting big. אנחנו עדיין צריכים לעשות washing down to basketball.
רגע, רגע.
Hey, Hamoud.
Yeah.
Little screeches and that sort of thing. They've got their baby teeth. They're still coming in, of course, and in about 6 months they'll start to get their adult teeth.
So if any stranger would handle them, I'm not saying that we are asking for, but would that be okay if if anybody would ask to hold them?
You mean visitors?
Yeah.
Oh, absolutely not.
No. I'm saying we're not going to ask. Like, if, how safe these animals are for people.
How would they react?
These two are great. Their cousin, he went to Reno 3 months ago, was a nasty little bugger. He started biting as soon as he had teeth. I mean, it depends on their personality.
Yeah, that's true.
I'll show you their brother. He's 2. We can still go in.
Male with a group of females, or are they like lions
you
that you can only have
wouldn't do
one?
that, no.
Usually in the wild there's only one male with a group, or
Most cats, there is no group, except for lions who have a pack. There they have one male, and he's the dominant male, and he will last as the dominant male for 2 or 3. So it's not the condition of food, which was frozen until this morning. Yeah, when we got them before we opened, they were 6 weeks old. They used to be in here.
Yeah, exactly. I remember getting pictures of them in here. Yeah.
We got a single cat.
Oh, we got a lion. Cool.
Yes, I'll play paddle. Sure. How are you? Yes. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Shabeth is 16. She was raised to be in television commercials. And when she was 2, they took her out to make her first commercial and she retired. She tried to eat the director or something. Oh. So she's been with us for 14 years.
You're gonna slide.
So at 16, she's a senior cat. In the wild, she probably wouldn't have lived this long. 12, 14 years is the average. Captivity, 20 or more is not unusual. One of her favorite tricks is sitting down here and you get a third grade class lined up along the railing. And these guys, of course, are great climbers. What's the matter? You notice they don't have any spots in the rosettes on their back. They're smaller than the others. But even at about 85 pounds, they can carry a 150-pound animal. And the world's record man-killing leopard in India back in the early 1900s killed 425.
אפשר לעזור לאוכלוסייה, אבל הם לא ימצאו שיטה, הם נולד בכלום, איך ללמד אותם. אבל 3! כל אחד שמנסים לשחרר.
This is the brother of the two cubs. He's the older brother. He'll be 2 in August. He's about 135 pounds right now. Hi, buddy. How are you doing? Rato. He came down to this new, and we built this enclosure last winter. We brought him down on a leash. He still goes on a leash.
הוא אחד היחידים שהם עדיין יכולים לקחת עם רצועה. הוא ממש רגוע. And he is a male.
Pardon?
He is a male.
Male, yes.
So he's the only male you have.
Besides
If Butch, I mean, Butch is 16.
The only one we have, we've given 2 away.
Oh, and you're keeping him as your male for the future.
Yeah, we've given. We had 5 cubs because both of our black cats are 16